Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very unique opportunity, the Nature Community's Summer Workshop in Germany. This is a unique kind of opportunity to stay in Germany for free. In this fully funded workshop in Europe, the participants will learn to engage themselves closely with nature and its protection. This community's summer work camp, the participants are highly encouraged to implement their unique ideas to beautify the premises in which they will be living. Fully funded summer camp in Germany is a chance for the participants to judge their own social abilities while having an extensive interactive session with other participants in completing the given task. Nature Community's summer workshop in Germany is self-explanatory because of its name. The participants will be participating as volunteers in this Europe-based fully funded summer program. All the volunteers are given this pleasant opportunity to stay on the property of the host organization, which is none other the European Union as a whole and European Solidarity Corporation specifically. There are numerous positive impacts of the Nature Community Workshop, which include the development of the skills and competencies of the volunteers. These competencies are due to the extraordinary nature of this workshop. Some more information about the summer work camp in Germany. The host country is Germany. Summer camp duration is 6 weeks. Some benefits of this summer camp: the accommodation will be provided, 3 times meal will be provided. There will be the availability of fruit, water, tea and coffee throughout the day in the dining room. The volunteers can use other rooms like living room, spa area or the playing room. The facility of laundry will also be available on daily basis. Internet facility and shuttle service will also be provided. So let's see the eligibility criteria. Young adults from the age of 18 to 30 can apply. The volunteer must be from an eligible country of Europe. There is no need for prior experience in this field. Only a factor of motivation enough to be eligible for this workshop. No restriction of education level. The candidate must have openness to environment-friendly practices. How to apply? The candidates have to apply online. In order to check if you can apply for this program, you must first sign in or join the corps. Once it is sure that you are eligible, provide all the relevant details, especially your contact details correctly, and check all your applications before submission. The last date to apply for this program is 11th June. Click on Apply Now to start your application. So you will be redirected to the official page of the European Solidarity Corps. Nature Community Workshop 1. You can see the activity description. You can also see from which countries the participants are eligible, the activity topics and the deadline for the application. Click on Apply to start your application. Sign in. Click on Create an account. Create an account using your first name, last name, your email. Confirm your email, select your email language, and tick the privacy statement box and click on Create an account. After creating an account, you will receive an email allowing you to complete the registration process. Go to your inbox and follow the steps given in the email. Click on the link given in the email and then set a new password and then click on Submit. Then you will be redirected to this page. Then tick on I confirm that I agree and will uphold the mission and principles of the European Solidarity Corps. Then add your date of birth and your country of residence and then click on Continue. You have to add your personal details, your first name, your family name, your date of birth, your gender, your preferred contact language, which country are you legally resident in, what is your nationality, volunteering and occupational projects, what experience and knowledge could you bring to the European Solidarity Corps, and then select your availability, your European voluntary services. Have you previously had an activity on the European voluntary services? General privacy, terms and conditions, and then click on Join the Corps. After this, you will be contacted if you are eligible. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.